Alright, let's go through the same process for the Bluetooth speaker sold by eDepot. So the estimate, $97.99, that's close to $100. That's an easy number to work with. So 30% off, 10% of 100, using our knowledge of benchmarks, is $10. So 30% would be 3 times that. So my estimate for the discount will be $30. I should be saving that much. So the sale price will be about $70. And if I want to think about the tax is 13% or close to 10%. I'm going to be paying another $7 in tax. So my expectation is that the total price will be roughly about $77. So let's see how close our estimate is based on using the two strategies. So again, strategy 1, we're going to calculate the discount separate. So 30% of $97.99. So that requires us to change the 30 into a decimal by dividing it by 100 and multiplying it by the price. And this gives us a discount of $29.40. So that's how much we're saving. So we're going to subtract that from the price of the speaker, which was originally $97.99. And we end up with our sales price of $68.59. We're going to take that price, that sales price, and we're going to now add on the tax, which is 13% of the sales price, $68.59. So again, using our knowledge of calculating with percent, change the percent into a decimal, multiply it by the amount, $68.59, and you end up with $8.92 in tax. So the total price of the Bluetooth speaker at eDepot will be the original price of the original sales price, that is, of $68.59, and add on the tax that we're paying to get $77.51. So a little more expensive here at eDepot, even though the percentage off was a little higher. The price being a little higher to begin with made it more expensive. If we want to use strategy 2, let's just review that. 30% off means that we're only paying 70% of the price. So 70% of $97.99 will give us, when we change the 70 into a decimal by dividing by 100 and then multiplying it by $97.99, will give us the discount price right away, which is, again, $68.59. As mentioned before, the only thing we don't know is how much did we actually save. And again, that would just require us to subtract the two prices. If we want to use a similar strategy to calculate the tax, remember 100% is $68.59. So if we want to add on an additional 13%, we're going to calculate 113% of the sales price, $68.59. So this works out to 113 divided by 100, multiply that by $68.59, and you end up with a final price of $77.51. Again, we don't know how much tax we paid because we got the price which has the tax already calculated into it, but we can subtract the sales price, $68.59, from that final price to figure out how much the tax was.